going to recreate the meal that we ate for Christmas in Mississippi. I peeled and cut up the potatoes for the French fries. I put them in a bowl of water and I added ice. I take a New York strip steak and I slice it thin. Once I shred the steak up, I season it with pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I add a teaspoon of olive oil and I put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Elsie cleaned the wings and I seasoned them with black pepper, smoked paprika, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. Cover them and let them come to room temperature. Slice a tomato and a red onion. I slice some green onions and I dice a tomato. I season a half a pound of ground beef with garlic powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, and smoked paprika. Form 2 burgers, a half a pound each. I put them in the freezer for a few minutes. Take 2/3 of Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. Let it simmer in a pot until the butter melts. Once the butter melts, I whisk the ingredients together and I bring it to a boil. Comes to a boil, I stir it, I turn it down to simmer, I cover and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Preheat the oven to 200. I heat a frying pan and I add a little olive oil. Once the pan is heated, I add the burgers. I let the burger cook for a few minutes and then I turn it over. I mash the burger down with my burger masher. I turn the burgers over and I mash them down again. I let the burgers cook the rest of the way in the oven. Some vegetable oil in a pot to 350 degrees. I remove the ice and I pour out the water and I pat the potatoes dry. The oil is heated, I add the fries. I let the fries cook undisturbed. Cooking for 8 minutes undisturbed, I put them on a platter. Put 2 quarts of vegetable oil in a pot and I heat it to 350 degrees. When the oil reaches 350 degrees, I add the wings. Set the timer to 15 minutes. Heat a half a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan and I add the shredded steak. I let the steak cook for about 2 minutes and I break it apart. The oil heats to 350 degrees. I add the French fries and let them cook until they become crispy. The timer goes off, I take the wings out, add the sauce, and I toss the wings in.
These hot wings taste good.
Thank you, Elsie.
Wow. These French fries taste good.
Thank you, Elsie.
You're welcome. The cheeseburger tastes good.
Thank you, Elsie.
You're welcome. These steak nachos taste good.
Thank you, Elsie.
You're welcome.